Friends, good morning. Welcome to all my online lecture. Our school name is Shikshan Ratna Pradeep Dattatray Samant Vidyalay Nehru Nagar Kurla. Today is Tuesday. Today's date is 31st August 2021. Standard 4th, subject Maths. And today's topic is subtraction. So, today we are going to learn how to do subtract. Problem number 1. There are 452 teak trees and 321 neem trees in a forest. How many more neem trees must be planted in order to have the same number of neem trees as teak trees? All of you understood? Once again listen. There are forest. In the forest there are 452 teak trees and 321 neem trees. Which trees are more trees? Correct. Teak trees. How many? 452. And neem trees 322. What they ask? How many more neem trees must be planted? So what you do? Correct. Subtraction. In order to find the answer, we have to count ahead from 321 to 452. But we want more time, so what you do? Correct. In other orders or other words, we have to subtract 321 from 452. Subtract 321 from 452. Where we do subtract? Correct. From right side. So first one, how many units? 1 unit. Subtract 1 units from 2 units. How many remain? Look. Subtract 1 unit from 2 unit, remain 1 unit. Now subtract 2 tens from 5 tens. Subtract, remain 3 tens. Now subtract 3 hundreds from 4 hundreds. How many remain? Correct. 100. So how many trees, neem trees must be planted? There are 131. When you subtract 321 from 452, you remain 131. Means 131 more neem trees have to be planted. How many more neem trees be planted? 131 more neem trees have to be planted. Now second one questions. Ajay has collected 276 while Vijay has collected 165 seeds. You know that seeds? Correct. In Marathi, biya. Ajay has collected 276 while Vijay has collected 165 seeds. How many more seeds does Ajay have than Vijay? Means how many more seeds Ajay have than Vijay. So once again we do most subtraction. This is Ajay's collected seeds 276 and these are Vijay's collected seeds 165. How many more seeds than Vijay? So what we do? Subtraction. Subtract 5 units from 6 units. Subtract 5 units from 6 units, remain 1 unit. Subtract 6 units from 6 tens from 7 tens. Remain 1 tens. And subtract 100 from 200, remain 100. Means how many more seeds Ajay have? 111. Subtract 6 units from 5 units from 6 units, 1 remain. Subtract 6 tens from 7 tens, 1 tens. And subtract 100 from 200, 100. Means Ajay has 111 more seeds than Vijay. Ajay has 111 seeds more seeds than Vijay. Next, arrange vertically. 754 minus 287. Now, how to arrange vertically? It's called vertically and it's called horizontal. You given the sum 754 subtract 287. It's called horizontal arrange and it's called vertical arrange. Make a column and rows and write down this problem. Now subtract 700, 5 tens means 50, 4 units means 4. 754 subtract 287. Now tell me, do you subtract 7 units from 4 units? Do you subtract 7 units from 4 units? No, because 4 units are smaller than 7. So what you do? Correct, you take borrow from tens house. Where tens house? 1 tens means 10 units. How many units? 10 units. 1 tens means 10 units and here is 4 units. Total units there are how many you got? 14 units. How many units? 14 units. Take 1 tens. Here's tens house, you take 1 tens means 10 units and you are already 4 have. You have 4. Total 14 units. Now here remain 4 tens. How many tens? 4 tens. Then now you subtract easily 7 from 14. Remain 7. Now subtract 8 tens from 4 tens. Do you subtract 8 from 4? No, because 4 is smaller than 8. So what you do? Take a borrow from 100 house. Where's 100 house? Means 100. 100 means 10 tens. 100 means 10 tens. And here is 4 tens. Total you how many you got? 14 tens. How many tens you have now? 14 tens. And here remain 600. How many remain? 600. Now subtract 8 from 14. 6. How many remain? 6. And subtract 200 from 600. Remain 400. All of you understood? What you do? When you have small numbers, then you take borrow and then subtract. Now once again, see all of you clearly, carefully. Take a borrow. Subtract. What is called? Subtract 287 from 754. Now take a borrow. You get 14 units. Now subtract 7 from 14. Remains 7. Now here is 14. How to here make 14? You given 1 tens, then you have remained 4 tens. Now you take 100 means 10 tens, and 4 tens is equal to 14. Now subtract 8 from 14, 6 tens, and now here remain 600. Now subtract 200 from 600. How many remain? 400. When you subtract 287 from 754, you have remained 467. All of you understood? Very good. Now subtract 364 from 500. How many remain? Do you subtract 5 from 0? No. So what do you do? Correct, take borrow, but here is also 0. So tens going on 100 place, and take 100. 10 place take 100. So here remain 400. Now he given 1 tens means 10 units. Then here remain 9 tens. Now subtract 5 from 10 remain 5. 6 from 9 remain 3. And 3 from 4 remain 1. All of you understood? When you subtract 365 from 500, you have remained 135. Subtract 365 from 500. Here 10. Subtract 0 from 10. 5 from 10. Subtract 5 from 10. Remain 5. Subtract 6 from 9. Remain 3. And subtract 3 from 4. Remain 1. 135. Now once again, next question. If 400 minus 100 remain 300. If 400 minus 100 remain 300. For example, you have 400 and you given anyone 100. So how many remain you have? 300. Solve 477. Solve 477 minus 177 and write 3 subtraction. Next one question. Write 3 subtraction problems with the answer 200. Now which is when you subtract 177 from 477, you have remained 300. For example, 7 you need subtract 7 from 7, 0. Subtract 7 from 7, 0. And subtract 1 from 4, 3. Now write down the answer 200. Make your own problems. 625 minus 425 remain 200. 988 minus 788 remain 200. And 750 minus 550, 750 minus 550 remain 200. In this way you make your own problems, own sum. Now Rajani buys a uniform. Next question. Rajani buys a uniform worth rupees 372 and a school bag worth rupees 250. How much more does she spend on the uniform than the bag? What you do? Subtraction. Now what is it? 372 uniform rupees 372 and school bag rupees 250. How many more rupees than bag? Find out. What do you find out? How many more rupees uniform than bag? So what you do? Subtract 0 from 2, remain 2. Subtract 5 tens from 7, remain 2. And subtract 2 from 3, remain 1. Means how many more rupees uniform than bag? 120. Rajani spent on the uniform more than the bag, rupees 222. The answer to an addition is 915. The answer to an addition is 915. One of the number is 427. Which is the other number? You know that you have 9. Your answer is 950. One of them 427 number. So you find out another number or other number. So what do you do? Subtraction. 915 minus 427. So do you subtract 7 from 5? No. So what do you do? What do you do? Take a borrow. What do you do? Take a borrow. So here remain 0, here 15. So now subtract 7 from 15, remain 8. Now you subtract 2 tens from 0 tens. No. So take 1 tens. How many tens? 1 tens means 100. Sorry, 10 tens. How many tens? 10 tens means 100. So here remain 800. Now subtract 2 tens from 8 tens. Remain 8 tens. And now subtract 400 from 800. Remain 400. When you subtract 427 from 915, you have remain 488. Means your other number is 488. When you subtract 7 from 15, you remember which is number remain 8. Now subtract 2 tens from 10 tens, remain 8 tens, and subtract 4 hundreds from 8 hundreds, remain 4 hundreds. How many remain? 488. Means other number is 488. Using the numbers 534 and 252, write a subtraction word problem. What you do? Write a subtraction word problem. Yash planted 534 mango trees. How many planted mango trees? 534 mango trees and 252 chiku trees in his orchard. How many more mango trees than the chiku trees he had planted? This is your problem. So now solve this problem. These are mango trees. 534. Which are mango trees? Mango trees, how many? Mango trees, and here is chiku. So more, find out. What do you find out? How many more than chikus? When you subtract 2 from 4, remain 2. Subtract 2 units from 4 units, remain 2. Now here tens smaller than 5 tens. So what do you do? Take a borrow. What do you do? Take a borrow. So 13 tens. When you take borrow, 100 means 10 tens, and you have 3 tens. Total you have now 13 tens. Now subtract 5 tens from 13 tens. You have remain 8 tens. How many tens? 8 tens. Now subtract 200 from 400. How many remain? 200. When you subtract 252 from 534, you have remain 282. All of you understood? Very good. Next problem. There are 4,526 men and 3,214 women in a village. How many more men than women does the village have? Now start 4 digit, subtract 4 digit to 4 digit. So 1 place additional 1,000 place. Now subtract 4 digit to 4 digit. How many men there are? 4,526. And how many women? 3,214. What they ask? How many more men than women? So what you do? Subtract 3,214 from 4,526. So you subtract now 4 tens from 6 tens. How many remain? 2 tens. Subtract 1 tens from 2 tens, remain 1 tens. Subtract 200 from 500, remain 300. And subtract 3,000 from 4,000, remain 1,000. Means how many more men than women? 1,312. There are 1,312 more men than women. Now subtract 7,548 from 9,072. Which is number? 7,548 from 9,072. Here is 2 is smaller than 8. So what you do? Take a borrow. What you do? Take a borrow. Now subtract 8 from 12. How many remain? 4 units. Now subtract 4 tens from 8 tens, remain 4 tens. Now here is 0 and here is 5. Do you subtract 500 from 000? No. So what you do? Take a borrow. 1,000 means 10 hundreds. 1,000 means how many hundred? 10 hundred. How many hundred? 10 hundred. So here is you take 10 hundreds and here remain 6,000. Now subtract 5 from 10, remain 5, and subtract 7. Sorry, here remain 8. 7 from 8. Once again see. Here is remain, write down 12 units and here remainder 6 tens. So now subtract 8 from 12, remain 4. Subtract 4 from 6 10, remain 2 tens. Here is smaller 0 than 5. So write down 10 hundreds and here remain 8,000. So what you do? Subtract 5 from 10, 5 remain, and subtract 7 from 8, 1,000. When you subtract 7,548 from 9,072, you have remain 1,524. Now see, subtract 8 from 12, 4. Subtract 4 from 6, 2. Subtract 500 from 1000, remainder 500 and subtract 7,000 from 8,000, remainder 1,000. All of you understood? Once again see, when you subtract 7,548 from 9,000, 9,072, how many remain? 1,524. Now subtract 3-digit number from 5-digit number. Here is 0, here is 0, here is 0. Do you subtract 7 from 0? No. So what you do? Go to the 10 place. But 10 place have 0 has 0. So 10 place go to the 100 place. There is also 0. So he go to the 1000 place. He take 1000. 100 place take 1000. How many take? 1000. So here write down 1000. Here remain 4000. Here write down 10. Here write down 9. Here write down 10. So here write down 9. So now subtract 7 from 10. Remain 3. Subtract 6 from 9, remain 3. Subtract 9 from 9, 0. And 4,033. Once again see. Now subtract 7 from 10. 3. Subtract 6 from 9. 3 tens, and subtract 900 from 900, 100, and remain 4000. Means when you subtract 967 from 5000, you have remain 4033. Now subtract 7477 from 7700. So what you do? Do you subtract 7 from 0? No. So what you do? Take a borrow. So here write down 10. Here write down 10. First one 9. Here write down 9. Here write down 600. 10 place take 1 tens from 100. 100 have 600. There have 600. So take 100 means 10 tens. Then he give 1 means borrow. Unit take borrow 1 tens. Then here remain units 10 tens. How many remain? 10 tens. Now subtract 7 from 10. 3 tens. Subtract 7 tens from 9 tens, remain 3 tens. Now subtract 400 from 600, remain 200, and subtract 7000 from 7000, 0.